Hello friends, welcome to this third to last day of Vlogmas. Let me move this a little bit so it looks better. So I was gonna, that doesn't look any better. I was gonna shoot this, is this better? Yeah, this is fine. So I was going to shoot this on my DSLR, but I'm feeling rather lazy today. I slept in and I took 2 separate naps already, and it's only 1 o'clock. So this is the best you're gonna get from me. But I think that's okay. I think that, who cares? Nobody cares. First off, I just want to say that it's really cool that I've sort of made it this far. I did not expect to make it this far into Vlogmas. I'm kind of proud of myself that I am, and I want to thank you for following me on this journey through Vlogmas till I get to this, the 29th day? It's pretty neat. Also today, hang on a second, we're going to do another unboxing. The box is right here. And I will say that I am going to categorically mispronounce everything that's about to happen. And I'm sorry, I am trying. It's just I don't know Japanese well. I don't know Japanese at all, I'll just be honest. Like, I know a few like phrases and words, not even phrases, I know words. Like, that's basically it. So I'm kind of going into this blind, but I still thought this would be fun. So the box we are doing today is a Bokksu. I think that's how you say it, Bokksu. Bokksu. We're going to go with that. It's a snack box that came all the way from Japan. And this is filled with, it's a subscription box. It's $40 a month. I got a discount, so I only paid $20 for this box, and then I immediately canceled it. But we did get this box, and even when I got this box, like I ordered it, I thought it'd be a fun content for video, so that's why I got it. This box did come from Japan, came all the way from Osaka, and it took, I want to say, about 2 weeks to get here, which is sort of to be expected. I did get it before Christmas, and it's just been sitting there, like, teasing me ever since, because I really want to open it, but I was waiting for the correct time. So we're going to go ahead and open it now. I will say this is a very nice box. It says on the inside, snack happy. That's cool. I will definitely reuse this box for something, because this is a good box. So we open it up, and it says Seasons of Japan, Bokksu Culture Guide. So I guess this is going to be like, I like that picture, that's cool. This is going to be like a guide to our snacks and all sorts of things like that. Like here we've got some Let's Learn Japanese. I know konnichiwa. And sayonara. That's all I know. It's sayonara. I don't know why Americans have butchered that so much. But this is just more stuff talking about seasons. So I guess this is like going to be a box that's a variety of different things that represents different seasons in Japan, which is cool. I like that. So we'll keep this handy so I can give you more information. We have a hi Bokksu buddy. We have a little letter from the founder, which is nice of them. So now we're going to get into the snacks. And this is a snack. This is what it all looks like in here. So first off at the top, we have some organic jinmaicha, organic green tea blended with roasted rice. Let me see if I can get the information on this. Yes, so there's nothing like a cup of jinmaicha to keep you relaxed and warm. A combination of sencha leaves and roasted brown rice. This tea is filling and just a little bit different from most teas. The roasted brown rice was originally mixed with tea as a filler to help extend smaller amounts of expensive sencha across many cups. From its humble origins as a prudent economic measure, jinmaicha has remained popular in Japan for its refreshing and comforting taste. So it is vegetarian, and it's made by Bokksu. So it is, like, I guess their house brand. I don't typically like strong genmaicha like this, because it's too pungenty for me. But I think we might make an exception. I'm going to open this because I want to see if it's like a bag. So boil, let cool, infused tea bag. Yes, so this is like an actual tea bag. Woo! That's strong. It smells like feet. So that's what we're gonna try that a little bit later. We might do that before the end of the video just to see what that's like. So yeah, you gotta boil, put some 3 ounces of water, let cool, and then in significantly cooled water, infuse the bag for 90 seconds. So we'll do that later. So that's the first one. This is what the rest of the box looks like. So we're just gonna start at the front and work our way back. So these are Funwari Meijin Koshi Puffs, and these are a sweet snack. It's rice. It's like a cloud-like confection. That's kind of cool. The snack's delicate texture and sweet, nutty flavor makes it wildly addicting. So we're gonna try one of these real quick. I'm not gonna try everything. I'm just gonna try a few things because I want to save a lot of these for New Year's Eve. So these are just like little puffy clouds, as you can see right there. Can you see that? It's like a little puffy cloud. They're kind of broken up in the box, but I would expect that because they're like really soft. Definitely a peanutty flavor. It's not bad. And yeah, it tastes like toast. I guess it's toasted sesame seeds, but right off the bat, it definitely does taste like peanut. So definitely like heavy sesame seed oil, sesame seed taste there. The crust itself is where the flavoring is, and that's got a bit of a resistance to it. Then the inside here is just like pure, like melts in your mouth. It's pretty good. Not bad. Okay. Next up, we got whatever this is, so let's look in our guide. We have seaweed tempura. I love seaweed. If you watched my Dollar Tree haul, you saw that I really like roasted seaweed snacks. So this is gonna be pretty good. So it's got a humble seaweed snack that packs a punch with a tart taste of citrus fruit. They are battered, fried, and flavored to create a crisp and tangy snack. This is gonna be a good one. I'll definitely save this for New Year's Eve. Okay. Up next, we have this surprised friend right here. I think he was back in fall. This is a black sesame taiko, and it is a roasted almond, black sesame, like cake, I guess. Each drum is actually handmade. The almonds and sesame are toasted and then mixed by hand with something over heat. So yeah, it looks like this is just like a little black sesame cake. We'll save that again for later. We've got this. No idea what this is. Let's consult our handy dandy. This is a very handy little thing, by the way, because without this I would have no idea what this is. So this is a Amala Eggson fried rice cracker. And the flavor in this rice cracker will blow your mind. Beautifully packaged in a reddish brown bag and covered with fireworks. Those are fireworks, I believe. Yes. You'll crunch into the snack only to fill your mind with a lingering flavor from capsaicin. That's what I figured when I saw this picture, because I looked at that picture and I was like, those are peppers right there. Danger. Don't worry, the spice isn't too overwhelming, but to the point of not being able to enjoy the other treats in this month's box. I'm going to pass on this. I'm going to give this to Jeremy, who's coming in next week. I cannot do spicy stuff. It's very unpleasant for me. It's very, it upsets my stomach. And furthermore, I'm allergic to some spices. So I, as a general rule, stay away from spicy things. So this, I'm sure it's delicious. I will not be able to eat this. So I'm going to give this to Jeremy because he likes spicy stuff and I can't do it. Okay. This is in the same page as this one. This is a Don Yaki. Again, I'm really being bad at this. Named after the sound of the beating drums that are ubiquitous at summer festivals in Japan, these little savory are bursting with flavor. They are fried and marinated in sauce to give deep, complex, savory flavor that is tangy, peppery, and a little sweet. Solid. I'm really gonna like these because I like savory. Like, give me that umami over sweet any day, it feels like. So this is pretty good. Next we have this, which we're gonna find out what that is. Hang on a second. This is red bean crackers, and red bean stuff usually is pretty good. This unassuming golden cracker contains a thin layer of red bean paste and adds a hint of sweetness. Its flavor is inspired by shinroku, a traditional Japanese dessert of red bean porridge traditionally eaten when the weather starts to cool. So, let's open one. Let's see what this tastes like. I have a pair of scissors back here. I don't know why I'm struggling. Like, I'm literally in the craft room. Like, I should have a pair of scissors. Oh, these are very thin. I expected them to be more like, I guess, like a, Keebler soft chew. Not Keebler soft chew, but like a Keebler elf sandwich. But no, it's a very thin cookie, and you can just see on the end how you can see the red bean paste. So, let's try it. The cracker's sweet, but not overly sweet. Kind of like, it tastes a lot like an animal cracker. But the red bean paste, because red bean paste is good, but it can be overpowering sometimes. This is not overpowering. This tastes very, very well. They mix very well. And it's subtle, but it's very good. It's tasty. That I like. Next up we have these, which look like little french fries. They are called Jaga. That's so bad. Jaga Pokoru? Sure. And they are made from potatoes. These high quality potatoes are cut and processed using a unique method to achieve the snack's signature crispy chip. They may look like simple french fries, but don't be deceived. They are wonderfully buttery and everybody is delicious as the first. So, they look a lot like french fries. I mean, those are straight up McDonald's fries. Which is cool. These are probably going to be really good because, I mean, I like a potatoy snack just like the next person. Alright, moving on. So we have this, which looks like a little cake of some sort. I think this one was back in the fall. And this is a matcha chocolate stick cake, which is basically a matcha, it's a green tea cake with looks like some chocolate spots, some chocolate chips like in it. So these will be excellent for probably served with this stuff. So I might do that later. All right, up next we have, this is an apple caramel stable. It's a cookie, which means chewy stable. It's very chewy. I can feel it like through that. I love chewy cookies. Don't give me any hard cookies. Soft and sweet without being overpowering. This cooking is even more delicious when paired with a cup of warm tea. I hear you, and I will absolutely do that. That would be actually really good. It broke just now. But it was just a nice, soft, apple-flavored cookie. So, probably with some peppermint, that'd be good. Or maybe some just, I think I got some tea from that subscription box that might work with it. So, that's good. Okay. Now we have something with our little egg friend Guten-Tama on it. Let's see what we got here. He's not in spring or summer or fall. He's in winter. This is a Guten-Tama Golden Pack Tagmo Kake Gohan flavor. It's a savory snack. It's he's Japan's most famous egg. I think that goes without saying. This puff stick was all the savory kick we'd expect with subtle notes of seaweed, sesame, and sugar from an ingredient. So it looks like it's just going to be a savory little egg thing that we'll enjoy later. Pretty good. Let's see if we've got any more in here. I think we've done all those. Okay. I'm trying to like cover ones that are in the same season because we're down to sort of the last things in the box. I think we've done all those. Okay, these are handmade Suzu Sake candy. It's a sweet, it contains alcohol, which, woo, New Year's celebration. Just kidding, I'm not that person. It's a little to no alcohol tracer, so it's not that big of a deal. But it does contain 0.1% alcohol content. So you're not going to get drunk off of these, but you're going to have fun, I guess. Let me look here. I guess it's like a lemonade type flavor. So it's a sweet thing, which is why it's featured in the summer section, because it's going to be a nice, sweet candy for you. So I think we're going to have one of these because I don't have any place to be today. All I have to do is craft, and I think that I can craft and eat boozy candy at the same time. So these are them. Nice lemonade flavor right off the bat. But not overpowering. It tastes like the good parts of a lemon drop to me. That's pretty good. It tastes a lot like a lemon drop, actually. All right, next we have whatever is in here. These look more like more potato snacks. These are mini stick potatoes. Thin crispy potato snacks are bursting with flavor. Enjoy it under the blossom of an tree which blooms in early spring. So it's just like a basic potato snack with a lot of savory flavor. I like how there's a combination of sweet and savory in here because I know I'm more of a savory person. Not everybody's going to be like that, but this is a good variety and I kind of like that. So next up we have pear fromage biscuits, and these, it's a pear flavor that's popular in Japan. It's not hard to see the appeal of this pear as it carries the delightful flavors of the fruit into this soft buttery cookie. So they're pear cookies basically. So that'll be good. That'll also be good with some tea. We might try that at the same time we do our apple cookie. And then we have white strawberry. This snack is sweet. It's the first chocolate-infused strawberry project by an innovative maker exclusively for Bokksu. So that's fun. First, only the freshest strawberries are harvested from a local farm. Next, each strawberry is freeze-dried to remove all the water, then infused with white chocolate. So it's like white chocolate-infused strawberry. So it's like a strawberry, but there's chocolate. That's kind of cool. Enjoy the delicious combination of creamy chocolate sweetness and light strawberry tartness with each bite. That'll be interesting. I'm excited about that. I don't particularly like white chocolate, but I think white chocolate when it's mixed with other things like a strawberry will be pretty good. So we'll do that. Last but not least, we have the Mochan Dango Mochi. We got 2 of these. And these are a sweet snack. It's being the country of mochi, which is a traditional rice cake eaten for desserts. This dango is covered in sugar crystals and is meant to resemble the seasonal treat that is cherished by so many. If you've ever tried mochi before, you'll see why this chewy, delicious treat is so enjoyable. I have tried it before, and I understand why it's so enjoyable. It is delicious. So that's good. These should be tasty as well. Like I said, I'm not going to eat a lot of these because I am saving them for if you're interested in this, there's a coupon code in the bottom of the box so you can get 10% off of the store. So this is cool. I like this. I can see how if you've got $40 to spend every month, this might be a fun little treat to get. And from what I gather, each box has its own theme. So you'll have like one that is like, okay, these are the winter solstice treats or whatever. So if you are the type of person who enjoys this sort of thing, then I think this would be great. It was fun for this. I don't think I could afford or float like $40 every month for this, but it's still like this cultural guide that you get. I'm going to look through that, and this looks pretty cool, but this was a fun box to unbox because I got some snacks now, so I'm going to do my alcoholic candy and maybe chew on some other things and go from there. So everybody, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.